Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put 4 photos in an Instagram story. The first thing we will do is enter our Instagram app. Once inside, click on the bottom add icon or move the screen to the right. Next, we will be placed in the story mode. Now we are going to add the photo that will make the background or that will be the first, either from our gallery or directly with the camera. We will continue to add the others. To do this, tap the top icon with a face, then look for the Add Media icon that you can see. Select the new image you want to add and it will be added. You can click on it to change its appearance and also move or resize it on the screen. To add the rest of the images, we will do the same process, select them and add them to our story. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Place each image as you want to make your composition in the story. If you want, you can add more elements to your images like GIF or music. After that, you can publish your story and even save the composition as a photo collage. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.